So if you can get shots in here, I'll give you the props. Bro, Jay, where did he go? Bro, Jay. Third one. They also have rotten plum. It's a bloody one. There and there. So I've only got 3 males at the moment, but what the fuck did the other one go? Jay. I don't even know where the other ones went. I don't even know where they went. Jay, get back up. Never mind. 1, 2, 3. Oh, bye, Jay. Let me just get one. Got my G. And go back. You can go back, buddy. I love you. You can't go out though. So yeah, got coach guy. Bro, get back in there, bro. Get back in there. Bro, he's like a racing car, bro. Get back in there, G. Get back in there, G. I'm gonna have to put some Vaseline. In the meantime, get back in. Holy shit. Well, I managed to catch him though. I'll get this G back on. I'll get the G's in here. But I literally was like, basically the speed of my hand, right there. I'm shitting, man, right? Like my God, I'm probably gonna make this 18 plus because it's so scary. Oh my God, so scary. You know it's restricted. No. Bro, get back in. I didn't ask you to go out. Anyways, guys, get the good breathing holes. And basically, my J's, basically that. Let my J's. I'll see yous. And bye. Have a good day.